Now, I'm not saying you gotta take the plastic off first before you cut, but it helps. Bada bing, bada boom. She's tight like a tiger. What's up, y'all? Come a little closer. Nah, a little closer yet. Come on. That's better. Ian here, Half Cut Garage. Welcome back. Guess what's up today? She's an explosive situation in some cases. We got her fuel tank in, mounted, welded up. Didn't plummet this episode, but show you how we come to this conclusion. If you like what you see in this video, be sure to subscribe, drop us a comment. We're always looking for new ideas on what we could do better. Appreciate it. Now, on to getting this tank built and shoehorned in this little 6-foot boat. Fuel tank's gonna go in this section here. It's gotta dip down in order for this choke cable and throttle cable. The choke cable's the worst one here. Throttle cable comes up and out of the way, but we'll make a dip in it and make it come back up. It'll add a little extra volume in it and stair step it in the middle here or something like that. I might have to weld the top and then the bottom. Blah, 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 I'm rambling on anyhow. So it'll step down in the middle to go around this cable. And other than that, we're gonna make it so that we can use the stock Sea-Doo on-off reserve mount pressure deal in here. So I've already taken a measurement off of it for the height that we need, and let's get to cutting out some aluminum. If you want to see us do a little video on shoehorning this fuel injected 302 out of a 91 Mustang into this old 77 Ford, drop us a thumbs up, give us a comment down in that subscription or comment box there. She's all marked out to be cut out. I won't bore you with that. Here we go.
That I would pray for you, I don't misbehave, so you notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall. Same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. So I'm falling fast, I remember life before you got back. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
Thing for some reason wants to shut off, 23%. Anyhow, we gotta make do, run out of time. This is what we have for, well, new day. Talking about putting up a fight. I had 2 GoPro batteries at 28%, and I couldn't get either of them to record anything. So here we are. Gonna weld the rest of the top on here. So I'm gonna weld this piece. I've already got the inside done. Wherever my fuel filter neck went, I'll have to put it on first because the nut's gonna have to fit in the bottom here. But it's all up top here. There won't be any heat. The heat will only be around this last top plate that I have to weld in. It'll be the only thing that gets one single pass. Other than that, absolutely everything in here was 2 passes. Big shout out to Ted, one of our most dedicated viewers. Sent me this after seeing me using that pipe tape. It's a Curvo Mark, really well for drawing 45s and stuff on pipe. Holds your chalk straight for you, so thanks buddy, sure appreciate it. It's gonna come in handy. Not on this project, but I didn't want to forget about you. Thanks a lot. Thank you to Olive for the pucks and Mark for the trampoline springs. Coming up soon.
Yeah. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy.
Now, I'm not saying you gotta take the plastic off first before you cut, but it helps.
And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, tell me feel like living. I need a big swing home run.
I tell ya, we were watching Muskoka freerider videos and decided to go out and ride like we were pros yesterday, and holy smokes, my arms are about done. But before I seal the top in, I just about forgot. We gotta throw a couple baffles in there. So one's right near the bottom, one's about midway. Keep sloshing down, then we'll put that top on. Ain't that always the case? It's great to get into it and run out of wire.
Let's go! Hey! Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, oh. And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of
2 hours later.
I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, oh. We all got dreams, we all want things. But what you gonna do for it, how you gonna move for it, what you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it, how you gonna move for it, what you gonna be? Yeah.
So we got our base plate in here, welded in, got an angle iron. We'll show you just how tight of a fit. Now I'm gonna weld a bracket to this tank right here and drill 2 holes right here. And I'm gonna put nut zerts in there and have the bolts go through. So they'll go in, it'll sit like that, and then it's just gonna sit there nice and snug and not move. Got our tab belt. Got a little bit of a piece for standoff. I don't want it to be right there. I want it to be pulling against the side of the boat all the time. I'm going to bury everything over here. So to recap, because the whole battery scenario, I'm pretty sure I missed out. I got to editing, bang, bang, bada bing. You make do with what you got. Finding a nipple or something like that, lots of guys take a machine shop, whatever else, not me. Closest thing was that a cam lock fitting, and the threaded side was close to what I need, so that's what I got. You just saw me die grind it all down so that it's nipple shaped form now. It's got a bell to it, taper to it, and hopefully it fits. Let's see. Bada bing, bada boom. That's awesome or what? Beautiful thing. This here is the stock in-out reserve valve. I retained the stock sending unit, so I could turn around now and mount this somewhere. It might make it to the firewall, probably not. Either way, when you run out, open up the engine compartment, flip the switch, you're back in the business. The rest of the stuff, we'll put on the random stuff. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, let me know what you think I should do. It's probably too late already, but I'll do it in the next one maybe.